Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. To change the straps on this watch, first we need to remove the old ones. To do it, we need to grab our watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap there is this lever, and we can pull on it to release the strap. Basically you need to grab it by this pin and then pull it towards the middle of the strap, and it will release the pin, and then we will be able to remove the strap. So pull on the pin. Sometimes it's like a bit hidden, so I can't really reach it because I don't have long toenails. So I'm gonna, rather fingernails, my bad. So I'm gonna help myself with this. I'm gonna use this as a propping device, and I'm gonna pull it with this. And once you pull on the lever, it's gonna release the pin, and the strap will come off. Basically, how this mechanism works is basically when you pull on the lever, it hides this pin, and once the pin is hidden, it releases the strap from the watch. Let me actually try to pull on it now. As you can see, the pin hides, and it releases the pin from this hole right here, and then you can pull out the strap. So let's do the same for the second one, like this, and pull it out. And here we have our watch and our straps. Okay, and once you get new straps and you want to put them back on, you simply take the opposite side from the lever on the strap, and you put it inside of the hole on the watch right here on one of the sides. You put it in, then you pull on the lever, adjust it so it goes into a hole once you release it, and then you can release it and it should grab the thing. So let's do the same. Put the one side into a hole, pull on the lever, adjust the strap, and then release the lever, and it's gonna grab the watch. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.